If you got a pit bull or a bully, I'm about to show you 3 essentials that you need for a dog like this. Number 1 is a thick collar with a handle on it. Until you can get this dog under control, you need to be able to pull them out in emergency situations. It includes a metal buckle, and you can add their name and your phone number just in case they get lost. I personally wouldn't trust my dog's life with any other collar, so if you want one for yourself, head to the Summit Hound website and get yours. Next is KOE. This is the only thing that I clean my floors with. I got 2 bullies and a golden doodle. This makes sure that the floors are clean. It kills all the germs and odors and leaves the floor smelling fresh. It's also non-toxic to all your pets, dogs, and cats. Last but not least is a rain jacket. We live in Florida where sometimes it can rain for days on end. And if you don't want your dog to stink every day, then this is what you need. Also, our boy Zeus will not pee if it rains. He won't poop if it rains. So this is what we've been doing to help him out in that situation.